Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create Hotmail account. First, click on browser. Go to hotmail.com. Click on create account on the right side of your screen. Type your username or email ID. Create password which contains number, upper and lower cases. Click on next button. Click your first name and last name. Click on next button. Select your country, birth month, and click on next button. Click on next button again. Enter your phone number and country code. Click on send code button. Check your mobile, you will get a code. Enter the code. Click on next button. Select your language. Time zone. Select your theme. Now your account is successfully created. Click on let's go. Now your mail is open. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.